Hello viewers! How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well by the grace of the Almighty. As always, we are here with an important issue. So, without further ado, let's get to the main point. This video is mainly for those of you who use Instapay. Do you see this kind of box text in the app? Why does this card status show blocked? There can be several reasons for this. For example, 1. If the card you are using is lost. 2. If money is stolen from the card. 3. If you do something illegal with the card. 4. If your card is rejected for an excessive amount of money through any website, the office will block the card. 5. If someone else uses your card. So what to do? Now the thing to do is to use your MasterCard with captiously. For example, 1. Your card information cannot be given to anyone else. 2. Cards cannot be used on any illegal website. 3. Card images cannot be shared anywhere else without verified. 4. Before making an online transaction, you should ensure that you have sufficient balance in your wallet. Suppose you want to purchase a product worth 10 ringgit online, but your wallet balance is 6 ringgit, then your transaction will be declined. If such transactions are excessive, the card may be blocked. If the card is blocked, you will need to replace the card. How, where, what do I need to apply for a card change? You can apply for this card through several channels. 1. Through the live chat option. 2. Through email. 3. Through Facebook page message. For this, you need to have 20 ringgit in your wallet and you need to provide the address to customer service where you want to receive the card. After applying for the card, you will have to wait for 5 to 7 working days. Within this time, the card will be delivered to the address you provided by courier service. In case of emergency, you can go to the Instapay office and take the card with you. There is no separate charge for this, only a charge of 20 ringgit will be charged for the card replacement. In the next video, another problem will be discussed in more detail. If you have a favorite topic, you can let us know in the comments. We will make a video on that topic. If you have anything to know on this topic, please comment. Thank you for staying with us.